Hey everyone, it's Josh here, and this is my first devlog for this channel. Um, to be honest, I don't know why I haven't created a channel like this before. Probably should have done it during Cowboys and stuff, the original game. But I'm going to be talking you through the second game, Cowboys and Stuff: The Third Dimension, and show you the development process for it. So the video that's currently being shown, this is just the procedure animation part of it, really. There's no baked animations whatsoever. It's all run by code. All the feet are just being placed based on where's most accessible, using raycasts and magnitude distances. Really, the theory behind it's quite simple, but the the maths is definitely something. Yeah, it's just playing around with it, and this is the result. Very happy with it. As you can see, it's just I've added rotation, idle rotations and stuff like that as well to it. Added idle animation bobbing. The strafing from side to side, that's pretty impressive. That was just included when I was coding it. Yeah, it was. I've had so much fun, and the cool thing is, I've made a previous version of this before, but it was based on time, purely based on time. So the negative to that is very player input orientated. It'd be very hard to implement it onto an AI. Whereas this is a if I was to drag this character that you're seeing across the screen in the Unity scene view, it would also try and calculate during that. It's not based on if I press W. That's handled in another script. And the cool thing about this is it would work even with a fully rigged character. Say, let's just for as an example, a character from Grand Theft Auto. If you attach one of those characters to my script, you could essentially get a procedural walking animation character, assuming you've got IK. My current script doesn't use IK, and I don't need to because I'm not having a middle joint as a knee. It's just torso to feet. But yeah, if you wanted that and you had that in place, an IK system, there you go. It would work. So that's another thing I'm really proud of. It's eliminated a lot of hassle because I'm not very good at animating, and the fact that I've got procedural animation in this already, and it was somewhat straightforward. It's really cool. It feels really responsive as well. I'm not sure if you can really tell from this video, but it feels really responsive. I'm really looking forward to adding more content to this. I'm looking forward to adding weapons and AI. I think that's going to be great, just getting enemies chase you around, because I think it already looks cool. It's got like a directional tilt, it's got idle bobbing, it's got but you can rotate on the spot as well. It's just very simple things in practice. It's basically just a glorified walking simulation at the moment, to be honest. But nevertheless, it's progress, and I'm chuffed to bits of it. So the next part of this devlog is actually my experiment with chains. So I watched this video by Black Fawn Prod, and I'll link the video, but he does a tutorial on procedural animation in 2D Unity with the use of Unity trails. So what I did is I took that video and made it work with game objects, and not only that, I also got it working in Unity 3D, and that is what I've currently got in this video. As you can see, it's awesome. It needs some work, granted, it needs some work, but look how cool that looks. That just proves the possibility of having caterpillars, centipedes, or whatever I come up with in the future. But chains, insects, I don't know, the possibilities could be pretty awesome. And since I could even work on like flying creatures, because that's going to be even simpler than like ground creatures, because I could just the wings could just be active all the time if I wanted to, or if I wanted to have different states, landing to flying, I could just check to see if the raycasts are grounded. You know, it's all because of this one system that I've implemented. I can easily branch off to other animation systems, and that's what I'm super duper happy with. Yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for this devlog. Hopefully next time I've got a bit more to show. Maybe some AI. That'd be pretty cool, or just some basic interaction. So maybe I don't know, you're walking around and you just got a gun. But I think either one would be pretty cool, just to show off with the procedural animation stuff and things. You know, it's just I'm very proud of what I've currently got. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye. Before I go, I'd just like to point out my original game is actually on Steam. If you would like to give it a look, see, I'll put the link in the description. But yeah, go check it out. The original CNS.